Hey Moos, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're doing a makeup tutorial because I'm hanging out with my friends today. So I want to start off the new year just doing my makeup, and I got a new camera, so we're gonna be testing it out. I'm trying to still figure out some of the settings, so hopefully this video is starting off good. I tried fixing some settings, but I don't know, I'm still practicing, so this will be my tester video. But I'm so excited, guys. It's 2022 and it's gonna be a great year. So I'm putting in my pink clips. I need to moisturize my face because it's getting dry, because I was trying to fix this camera and the settings. I should have did this yesterday, but I don't know why. So for this kind of look, I'm kind of doing a soft glam, with some browns. I want to do a smoky eye, but with browns. That's what I think I'm gonna do. So the moisturizer at the moment I'm using is my Clinique. That's the moisturizer I'm gonna be using for today because I ran out of my other one. And look, I did press-ons. I've been doing press-ons lately. I don't know if y'all can see it. I gotta fix my camera. I'm still learning my camera. I've been watching YouTube videos how to work this camera, because I read the instructions, but it's not the same. I need some type of video showing me what to do step by step, and I gotta learn. After I come back home, maybe I can learn my camera some more and watch some more videos. This used to be my all-time favorite moisturizer in high school and middle school, but it's good to get it back again because I got it for my birthday. It was a free gift from Ulta. I'm using my sunscreen from Super Goop. You always gotta have your sunscreen, ladies. So next video will try to be better, hopefully. I'm using my mic. I had a little mic and I don't know if it's working or not. I'm so bad at this. So if this video comes out a little I'm learning on this camera, so good quality videos, the filters will look good. So tell me if you like the coloring of this video. I tried fixing it, but I don't know, you tell me. And so far it's so good. I love it, but it's freaking spilled in my bag, so I have to open it up and get some from my bag because it's everywhere. I like to really prime my nose, so that's where most of my makeup kind of comes off because of the mask. This mic is covering my face, so if you see me kind of moving, that's why, because I'm trying to see what I'm doing. Okay, I like to use two primers, so I'm using the sample of the Milk Hydro, and I like to finish up my e.l.f. Putty Primer. Some of the stuff I've been using, but I'm just trying to finish it up. So I get a little bit. Massage it in my fingers, and then I really massage it. There, my T-zone, my chin, and it's 11 something, so I've been trying to figure out this camera for almost an hour, and my friend's gonna pick me up in 2 hours, so I gotta kind of hurry up. And I don't know what I should wear. I was thinking about an outfit. I was looking on Pinterest on some ideas because I want to look cute, but aesthetic. But I don't know. I think I have an idea. Hopefully it looks cute when I'm doing my makeup. And then I'm doing my hair straighten. I'm gonna show y'all my little routine. So I'm gonna do my brows, just flick them up. And I haven't gotten them done because I'm growing them out to get them kind of full, because I want to get what's it called, brow tint, and I want them really full, so I'm trying to grow them out. So if you see my eyebrows looking a little funky, I'm trying to grow them out, honestly. So I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows, so I just follow my hairs where they're growing. Okay, and then I blend it out. But yeah, I'm so excited. My friends and I are gonna hang out, so I think we're gonna go to some restaurant. I think Cheddar's or something, because we like to go out to eat, talk, catch up on things, because we start school back on the 18th, so this week's like my last week, and then I go back to school. So it's like we're gonna like hang out and probably go see Spider-Man. So now what I do is I put on foundation. So foundation I've been loving lately is my Huda Beauty full coverage. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I want to get the concealer so bad, but I'm trying to like finish this concealer, my Born This Way, and get this one because I tried the tester of this one and it's bomb. I'm like obsessed because I love that full coverage. Like, you already know me, but I love full coverage. So I like to put on my face, and look how full coverage this is. Wow, it looks so good. I love full coverage. Like some days I'll like mix like my Sephora one, my Better Skin. That's like a light foundation that you look like your skin but better. But sometimes I'll mix it with this to give me like a lesser coverage. But I'm going out today, so I want to look good. I want my makeup to look flawless, so I just do that. I need to go with my beauty blender. Dang it, but oh my god, let me put you on to this brush. This is the brush I've been using for my foundation, and I love it. And it's the Sephora 64, and it's really good, especially with the Sephora foundation, this one. And it works really well. With this foundation, it's like a lighter coverage. This works good combo. But I like to use it with this one too because it gives me a nice even finish. And then I'll go back with sometimes a beauty blender. I haven't really used a beauty blender in a long time. Okay, so when it comes to concealer, don't mind my concealer like looking funny, like more orangey than my foundation, because I had this for a while. So yeah, it looks a lot like dark and yellow. I need to get another one, but it does the job. When I do like translucent powder, it doesn't look bad. So yeah, we're gonna mind the concealer, how it looks so funny and bad. And you're wondering like, Danielle, you still haven't done your eyebrows. No girl, I do them like almost like glass. It looks good though. So my e.l.f. putty primer, putty bronzer, to bronze up my face. And the brush I always use is the Makeup Shack T22. I just go in there and just like mix it, and then I just like dab while the concealer is like doing its job, letting it sit there and give me a lot of coverage. I'm gonna be doing my cream contour. So boost, a little update, y'all. 2022 has been a good year. I had a good Christmas. I'm gonna be focusing on myself a lot this year. I really want to like focus like my social media, like for real. I want to like really get down, and I really want to like grow, and like because I love social media. I love to be posting, and I just want to have like a big community. This year I'm gonna be getting my car, my license, so I'm very excited. It's gonna be a great year boost. I can feel it. I can feel it. So let me like tan up real quick. I want to look like I went to the beach, but I really didn't go to the beach. I just want to look so cute and like glowy goddess, you know, that vibe. Even though it's like still freezing cold outside, like literally, it's like ugly weather today, and I'm like, okay, so since done bronzing, so I'm just gonna like pat in, don't rub, pat in your concealer. I really need to get my lip done because I can see my little hairs and it bothers me. Oh my god. And I have a little pimple, so if you see something sticking out, don't mind that. Oh, I didn't even do my nose, girl. I forgot to cream contour my nose. Oh, I'm starving. Okay. I wetted my beauty blender, Laura Mercier. Oh my god, I can't even talk right now. I'm gonna use this translucent powder pen, and then I just pat it in there. I'm gonna go in with my Patrick Tall, my bronzer. Oh my god, I can't open it. My hands are wet. Gonna like graduate this year in beauty school, so I'm very excited. And for my plans, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I really like doing my lashes and like the waxing. I'm really into that. I really don't know what I want to do yet. Those are like the top things I want to do so far. So Okay, so the blush I'm going to be using is the Cosmetics, like these two shades. I'm just going to pack it in there. Set my face with my Morphe setting spray. Woo, yes. So I'm going to melt everything in. And this product can really get like really dark. So I'm going to go like with a really like light hand. Sometimes I go like a little beyond. Okay, because I'm so sorry for the color change. Oh my god. This is so bad. 2022. My freaking filming is not correct. But I'm sorry. Okay. I'm going to use my Mario palette. I'm very excited to use this. It's my favorite palette, like to do like smoky brown look. Watch how I'm gonna use like this shade in the palette for like all over my crease. Patting motions. Okay, so I put in that color. It looks really nice. So I'm gonna use like the same brush. And I'm gonna go in with this color. And just like kind of bring it in into my inner corner. And then I'm gonna go in with this like dark brown. You can see it. And I'm gonna like kind of do it in my outer crease. Just like kind of like mixing the browns in there. And then I'm going with a different brush, more like a packing one. And I'm gonna go with like the shade, I don't know if you saw it, this shade and this shade. And then I'm just gonna like pack it in the outer corner, my outer crease, to give that look pretty effect. I like to use this like peachy shade, and I like to pack it in there. And the highlighter I'm going to use is the ColourPop Lunch Money. I really love this stuff. It looks really pretty. And it was like really popular like a while back on YouTube. But like look at that glow. It's like that nice glow. Nothing too like woo girl. But like lightly pressing. You see? Yes! Love that. Okay. So I'm just going to do like my chin. And then a little bit on my eyebrows, just to give me that like nice glow. My nose. And I don't really do something with my eyes anymore. I just do like the high points. Okay, so next I'm gonna do some mascara. And I'm gonna set my eyebrows now. And I've been using the brow glue from NYX, and this stuff really works. I actually like it. So I'm just gonna set my eyebrows. Okay, so my eyebrows look like this, I know, but I'm gonna let them sit for a little bit. And then I'm gonna like place them. Do my mascara. I'm gonna put some. I really love this mascara. I really want to try it. Is it the Lancome and the Valentino? I heard those are like really good. But this is drugstore, I think, right? It's from Essence. It's on the Ulta drugstore side. So it's like what, $5? I'm gonna put some glue on my lashes, and I'm gonna kind of figure out like what lip combo to do, because I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna do like a nude one. I'm gonna moisten my lips. I've been really loving my Aquaphor lately. It's been my go-to. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Pillow Talk Medium 2. I'm gonna outline my lips with this. Okay, so I'm gonna use 1.5 nude. Yes, ma'am. Oh my god. This look is really, really pretty. I'm very happy with this look. Okay, so I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna straighten my hair, and then I'll come back with my outfit so I can show y'all. Sorry for the noise. I'm wearing my princess ring, my initial, and then I'm wearing my D. So here's my outfit. It looks super, super cute. That's what the back looks like. Looks super cute. Okay, boo, so this is what I look like. It looks really pretty and nice. Some of my Air Forces, and then like that black jacket I said. And yeah, I love it. Okay. And my makeup came out so nice. Let's show y'all. It looks really pretty. Okay, boo, so I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my little makeup tutorial. And I'm so sorry about the lighting, boo. I'm like, so I kind of fixed it. Hopefully it looks good. Maybe if I need to tweak it, if you have any like recommendations, let your girl know, because I'm trying to like figure out my camera. This lighting. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out my camera. So I'm so sorry if like lightings keep changing and stuff like that. But yeah, boos, I hope you have an amazing year. I hope the best for y'all, boos. You're gonna have an amazing year this year, boos. So I really hope you guys enjoyed my video today on this new camera. Tell me if you really love it. I'm still learning on it, so if you know I'm a little tweaking at it, quality's gonna get better and my audio is gonna get a lot better. I'm so happy because that was like my focus for this year. I really wanted upgrade my videos. Like that's what I really wanted to do. So yeah, boos. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. See y'all, boos, next time. Bye.